Okay guys, now we have reading passage 2, history of salt. Okay, and you can see the mountains of salt there as well. So we understand there is a passage about history of salt in the past tense, right? They will tell us how they discovered salt, about the salt reserves, right, areas and all that. Okay, get ready for that. And you can see they have given the paragraphs like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got this thing as well. Now, this is enough to read history of salt, and now we are clear. The whole passage is about salt. Okay, let's do something confusing at the end. Questions 14 to 16. Choose 3 letters. This is called triple multiple choice. One is single multiple choice. A, B, C, D, you have to select one. One is double multiple choice. A, B, C, D, E, and you have to select 2. One is triple multiple choice. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Out of 8, you have to select only 3 options, okay? Alright, we'll touch it later because this is going to drain our energies, drain our brain. दिमाग का दही बनेगा, इसको हम बाद में touch करेंगे. Now please come to questions 17 to 21. Complete the summary. Choose no more than 2 words from the passage. Now, summary completion. Remember, in summary completion, questions and answers are always in order. Okay? Sometimes they are a little before or after. Otherwise, they are grouped together. Before or after का मतलब है 16 का बाद में आएगा, 17 का पहले आ गया. Sometimes. अगर आगे नहीं मिल रहा तो पीछे चले जाएं. Okay? But most of the time they are in order, and at times they are grouped together. Group together का मतलब है एक ही पैराग्राफ में आपको आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे. Okay, now the first thing is we need to find the starting point. What is starting point? From where we will start finding the answers. Let's find that. Question number 17. Salt is such an dash that people would not be able to live without, as well as in its uses in cooking. Now please look for the word cooking, and there we can find the answer. Before that, paragraph 2. Now listen, this is the location for your answer. Have you noticed one thing? The question did not give me any information. That is why I asked you to look for the word cooking. Now you've got to come way back from cooking. So the question is, salt is such an. An means answer will start with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. So they said salt is such an dash that people would not be able to live without. Please come to this. Paragraph 2. But salt is also an essential element. What is salt? Essential element. Without it, life itself would be impossible. So salt is essential element. Salt is such an, and for that they said salt is an. Now article is a great help here. Sometimes in listening also article an can actually help you. Essential element, and you will not write an because an is already written. Okay? Just underline essential element right there 17 so that when you go back home you could practice easily. Now we read on. Second line. As well as its uses in cooking, this basic mineral, look at me. This basic mineral, what does it mean? Salt. This is called referencing. Means for salt, they are using the word basic mineral. This basic mineral has thousands of business. Look here. For business, they might use the word commercial. For thousands, they might use the word thousands, millions, or whatever, right? Now go back after cooking. Can you see 14,000? So for 14,000, they use the word thousands of commercial applications. Now look here. Commercial applications. What will be the answer? Yes. If you write commercial applications, your answer will be wrong. Ask me why. For commercial, they have used the word business. That is why you will only write applications. Clear? Commercial and business. So if you write, now you cannot say business commercial applications. Logically wrong, grammatically wrong. And applications should be written plural. If you write singular, your answer will be wrong. You know why? Because they said 14,000. So after 14,000, you must use plural. Okay, let's go on. They say ranging from making paper, keep that in mind, the manufacturing of soap. Okay, after soap, you will find the answer. Being a prized and dash, it has played a major part in the economies of many countries. Being a prized and dash. For prized, they might use any other word. Prized and dash, it means salt. Salt has played a major part in the economies of many countries. Now let's go on. Can you see fourth paragraph, please? As a precious, for precious they use the word prized. Prized and precious, they are synonyms. As a precious and portable commodity. For precious they use the word prized. And then they said portable commodity. For commodity they use the word here, salt. So what will be the answer? Portable commodity. So being a prized and portable commodity. For prized, what is the word? Precious. Okay, so portable commodity will be the answer. It has played a major part in the economies, and they have mentioned it here, economies throughout history. All right, guys, let's go on. Question number 20. As such, salt has not only led to war, but has also been used to raise dash by governments in many parts of the world. Raise. Underline the word raise. So after the war, we will find the answer. Same paragraph. Just go on to the next one. Can you see war?
Yes, sir.
All right. In fourth paragraph, they mentioned war. Now, please come to paragraph 5. In 2020 BC, the Chinese emperor Xiu levied one of the first known taxes. He taxed salt. Right? Now, what is the question here? War, but has also been used to raise taxes. Why taxes? He levied taxes. Answer is going to be taxes. Okay, now question number 21, please. There are also many instances of its place in religion and culture, being used as a means to get rid of. Just see, being used as a means to get rid of evil dash. What is the word we use with evil? Evil eye. Evil and one is evil eye. One is evil. Okay, look for the word evil. For evil, they've used any other word. Exactly. In paragraph 8, everyone please come there. Can you see evil spirits? So please read this. Further, in Buddhist tradition, salt repels evil spirits. Repels. Repels means what? Exactly. Get rid of evil and spirits. So the answer is actually spirits. Clear? All right. Yeah, that's it.